Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report chart analysis videos on Friday the 2nd of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. So we're going to look at dollar yen now. And don't forget, I've got my non-farm payrolls webinar at 1:15 today UK time, and I'm going to be talking about dollar yen in that webinar and the impact of payrolls on it. The outlook for dollar yen ahead of this payrolls report is sort of challenging this big long-term downtrend channel that we've been in since the beginning of the year, basically. The last few moves to this downtrend channel have all hit 60 on the RSI and backed away. Now we are currently at 60 or just above 60. May, July, and now September. Interesting that we had yesterday's candle that was minorly corrective on the back. Well, after that US ISM disappointment. But it continues to test this downtrend channel. Interestingly also, yesterday's high, 104 big figure, and I talked about 104 big figure being sort of a basis of resistance from these old lows from July. So that's sort of a bit of an issue as well. If I put my crosshair on it, it sort of encapsulates a little bit of this sort of resistance left from June as well. So you're sort of looking at a bit of a pivot line, 104 big figure, and you're yet to really break through that. If you break through it, you're then sort of looking at 105.20, 105.30, 105.50 area being a basis of resistance as well. Again, 105.50 is a bit of a pivot, nothing too significant about these levels, but certainly it would be more of a positive outlook because you would have then broken this downtrend channel. So this payrolls report comes at a key time, I think. A strong dollar payrolls report would ultimately drive what would change the outlook on this dollar yen chart. You'd sort of look at the 104.86, the falling 89-day moving average as well, which has been a basis of resistance as well throughout this year. So you'd look at that, all these indicators, and you think, well, this could be a game changer potentially, and a strong dollar move on the back of this payrolls report would be very interesting and change the outlook. But what we're seeing at the moment is a bit of a consolidation, really, nothing too significant. Slight bearish divergence still on the MACD, on the hourly, and the RSI. Interesting with the high. You could argue there's a small top potentially in place over the last few days. Head and shoulders if it drops back below 103 figure. 102.85 is this reaction low here we saw on Wednesday. And then you're back at 102.40, which is another old sort of near-term breakout level. But for now, this dollar rally is sort of regained a bit of traction, about 46 up on the day. Interesting that that's being seen ahead of the payrolls report. So market's relatively dollar strong ahead of that payrolls report, although not really seeing any real dollar strength across the other majors, but still dollar positive nonetheless. And yeah, this I think could be an interesting payrolls report this afternoon. But I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.